Hey guys, this is Robert, and today I'm going to be showing you how to upload your document for when you pass your phase 2 with the Funded Trader. But before we get started, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and with that being said, let's get started. So here's the email I just got today, 44 minutes ago. I passed phase 2, so I made 5% on the account. So now that I get this email, it says, "Congratulations on the successful completion of phase 2. You are now under review to become a Funded Trader. Next step you need to take is go to the website, log in with your account, go to My Account Documents. You need to submit a government issue ID, proof of address. Look out in your email for a Funded Trader agreement to sign using Adobe Sign. You will find your certificate for successfully passing the standard challenge in a separate email. Please share it on social media and tag the Funded Trader. Social media links below: Instagram, Telegram, and YouTube. Once we have received your document and signed agreement, you will move forward with our funding and approval process. If you'd like an update on when your account will be sent out, please reach out to our live support chat to get your scheduled date. All right, so they say click the link, but I don't really trust links in the emails. I'm just gonna go to the website. The Funded Trader Program. Just copy this part, or you should have it saved in My Account. All right, make sure you're logged in. Once you're logged in, hit Document and then hit Submit your document. So open a new tab, put in your email address or verification code. Once you get your verification code, put it in. Your email address is verified. Hit Next. Before you start, please prepare your identity documents and ensure it's valid. You're also required to agree with the processing of your personal data. So read the consent to personal data processing here. And then agree and hit next. So you can put your first name, last name, and then phase 1, one-step account number. Okay, so I don't remember mine, so I'm going to go to the website. That is dashboard.thefundedtraderprogram.com. Select my phase 1. I cannot copy the number, so I'm going to type it out and just put it on a notepad here. Okay, so we'll copy that. My computer's respond. But phase 1, make sure you're right. Good, double check. All right. Okay, phase 1 account, and then my email, first name, last name, and then you choose what type of document you want. I'm going to use a driver license. Upload from front and the back, and then hit that. Okay, so the next thing you gotta do is upload a bank statement, utility bill, internet, cable, phone bill, tax return, council tax bill, or government issued certification of residency. So fill in your information here, and upload the document. And do that and hit next. All right, so the next thing, you gotta do a 3D scan of your face. So I'm gonna use my phone, so continue on phone. And do the copy link or scan the QR code. Scan the QR code. All right, here it is on my phone. Click on I'm ready. Allow it to use your phone. I'm not going to be able to show this, but just hold still. And rotate your head around. And it says need to scan again. Another rotation. What is that? What? Move closer. Okay, so here. Okay, not getting this. Okay, now it's been submitted. Now continue on. Okay, so now continue on this device. Make sure all your information is correct. Okay, looks good. And next. Now is the verification status will update automatically. I'll pause the video and I'll be back. Okay, and after a few minutes of waiting, you should get a verification complete. And congratulations, you have been successfully verified. And that's it. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you